This game is called Go for Broke. In this game, you start with $10,000. We're showing these in two different ways for you to see it in place value form and over here numerically. So we have $10,000. What you're doing is you're trying to subtract amounts to get down to zero so that you can be broke. The first person to get to zero wins. You have 6 different digits that you'll be using in the game, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We're just using digit cards, and notice they're underlined so you can tell the difference between your 6 and your 9. We're going to take those cards and throw them in our bowl, and the player who goes first will just reach in and grab one and decide what place they want that to be worth. So I've got a 7. If I put a 7 in the 10,000s place and I go to take away 10,000 minus 10,000 minus 70,000, I can't do that. I'll be in the negatives. So what I'll do is I'll say, I could make it 7 ones, or 7 tens, or 7 hundreds, or 7 thousands. And I want to take away the most I can. So I'll make that 7 thousands. So I will take away 7 in the thousands place. If I'm taking away 7 in the thousands place, I know that these are all zeros, so I can go across and go, oh, well, those are all still zeros when I subtract. But when I think about this as 10,000 minus 7,000, I know that 10 minus 7 is 3. So I'm left with $3,000.
Now we also have the numeric method right here, and we're going to try that with the number 6. So I am going to use that as 6,000 because I cannot take away 60,000. This is the next greatest number, and I would like to win. So I'm taking away $6,000. And again, my ones, my tens, and my hundreds are all 0. And now it just looks like 10 minus 6 because it's 10,000 minus 6,000. 10 minus 6 is 4. So now I have $4,000.
So I have $3,000 and I pulled a 5. So I won't use it in the thousands place because that's too much, but I can use it in the hundreds place. So I will take 3,000 minus 500. 3,000 minus 500. So I'm thinking if this is 0 minus 0, 0. Again, in the tens place is 0. I'm like, so I can show this a couple of ways. I can think of this as 30 minus 5, like 30 hundreds minus 5 hundreds is 25 hundreds, or I can regroup. So if I can't do, if I have 0 hundreds minus 5 hundreds, I can't do that. So I'll take 1,000, I will make this 2,000, and then when I give the 1,000 to the hundreds place, I call that 10 hundreds. So now I have 10 hundreds minus 5 hundreds is 5 hundreds, and I have 2,000s left over.
I have $4,000, and now I just got a 4. Wow, I got lucky because I know that I can put this in the thousands place.
You should put it in the hundreds place.
If I put it in the hundreds place, I will lose, and I like to win. So I'm going to put my 4
the ones place?
in the
Why
thousands
not?
place. I could, but this would be much more fun. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0.
She didn't fall for my tricks.
I'm broke.
She's too smart.
I guess I could have for the game's purpose for you to learn, but I really like to win.